Our planet needs energy. Every day, our cities buzz with activity, and our lives are powered by an invisible force that keeps everything running smoothly. We use it for everything. From the moment we wake up and switch on the lights, to the time we go to bed with our devices charging beside us, energy is a constant companion. But our traditional energy sources are running out. Coal mines are being exhausted, oil reserves are depleting, and the barrels that once brimmed with black gold are now empty. They also pollute our planet. The air we breathe is thick with smog, our rivers are tainted with industrial waste, and factory emissions contribute to a growing environmental crisis. We need a new solution. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly in labs exploring innovative ways to harness clean energy from renewable sources like wind and solar power. Microbial biofuels might be the answer. These tiny powerhouses, invisible to the naked eye, have the potential to revolutionize our energy landscape. They are a type of renewable energy. Just like wind turbines, solar panels, and hydroelectric dams, microbial biofuels offer a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. They come from tiny organisms called microbes. Microbes are everywhere. These microscopic beings thrive in diverse environments, from the depths of the ocean to the soil in our backyards. They are in the soil, water, and even in our bodies. They play crucial roles in various ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. They can do amazing things. Under the right conditions, microbes can grow rapidly, breaking down complex organic materials into simpler compounds. Some microbes can convert organic matter into fuel. This process, known as fermentation, transforms waste products into valuable biofuels. This is a natural process. Just as composting turns kitchen scraps into rich soil, microbial fermentation can turn organic waste into energy-rich biofuels. Microbial biofuels offer a promising alternative. Researchers are developing efficient methods to produce these biofuels on a large scale, making them a viable option for the future. They can help us reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By integrating microbial biofuels with other renewable energy sources, we can create a more sustainable and resilient energy system. They can also help us protect our planet. By reducing pollution and conserving natural resources, microbial biofuels can contribute to a cleaner, healthier environment for future generations. Imagine a factory. It takes raw materials and turns them into useful products. These factories are essential for producing the goods we use every day, from food and clothing to electronics and vehicles. Now imagine that factory is microscopic. That's what microbes do. They operate on a scale so small that millions of them can fit on the head of a pin. They are like tiny factories. These microorganisms work tirelessly, performing complex biochemical reactions that are crucial for life on Earth. They use biological processes to convert materials. This is called bioconversion. Through bioconversion, microbes can transform substances into more useful forms, often producing valuable byproducts in the process. Microbes can convert different types of organic matter. This includes agricultural waste, food waste, and even sewage. By breaking down these materials, they help reduce waste and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. They break down these materials and produce biofuels. Biofuels are renewable energy sources that can replace fossil fuels, reducing our dependence on non-renewable resources. There are different types of microbial biofuels. These include bioethanol, biodiesel, and algal biofuels. Each type has its own unique production process and applications. Each type is made using different microbes and processes. For example, bioethanol is typically produced by fermenting sugars with yeast, while biodiesel is made from oils and fats using bacteria. These microbial factories offer a sustainable solution. They use renewable resources. By harnessing the power of microbes, we can create cleaner, greener energy sources that are better for the environment. They also help manage waste. Microbes play a crucial role in waste treatment processes, breaking down organic matter in composting and recycling facilities, and even treating sewage to make it safe for release into the environment. By converting waste into valuable products, microbes help us create a more sustainable and efficient waste management system. This not only reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills, but also helps conserve natural resources. The impact of these tiny helpers extends beyond energy and waste management. They also contribute to soil health, water purification, and even the production of certain foods and medicines. From the fields of agriculture to the labs of scientists, and the plants producing clean energy, Microbes are indispensable allies in our quest for a sustainable future. Their ability to transform and recycle materials makes them invaluable in our efforts to protect and preserve the planet. As we continue to explore and harness the potential of these microscopic factories, we move closer to a world where sustainability is not just a goal, but a reality. Nature's tiny helpers are indeed mighty in their impact. Bioethanol is a biofuel made from sugars. It's like the ethanol in alcoholic drinks. But it's made for fuel, not drinking. We make bioethanol through fermentation. This is a process where microbes break down sugars. They produce ethanol as a byproduct. Yeast is a common microbe used for bioethanol production. It's the same type of yeast used in bread making. Yeast converts sugars from crops like corn and sugarcane into bioethanol. Bioethanol is a cleaner alternative to gasoline. It can be blended with gasoline. This reduces our reliance on fossil fuels. Yeast is a fascinating microbe. It's a single-celled fungus. It plays a crucial role in bioethanol production. Yeast cells consume sugars. They break them down through a process called glycolysis. This process releases energy for the yeast cells. It also produces ethanol and carbon dioxide as byproducts. The ethanol produced during fermentation is collected. It's then purified to create bioethanol. This bioethanol can be used as a fuel. Yeast is a highly efficient biofuel producer. Scientists are constantly working to improve its efficiency. They are also exploring new types of yeast. These new types could potentially convert other types of sugars into bioethanol. Section 5. Biodiesel. Turning fats into energy. Biodiesel is another type of biofuel. It's made from fats and oils. These can come from plants or animals. Microbes play a crucial role in biodiesel production too. They produce enzymes called lipases. Lipases break down fats and oils. This process is called transesterification. During transesterification, lipases convert fats and oils into biodiesel. They also produce glycerol as a byproduct. Glycerol has various industrial applications. Biodiesel is a cleaner burning alternative to petroleum diesel. It can be used in diesel engines. This reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Section 6. Microbes, the master alchemists. Microbes are like tiny alchemists working tirelessly in the shadows of our world. They have the remarkable ability to transform one substance into another, a process that has fascinated scientists for decades. This transformative power is what makes them so incredibly valuable for biofuel production, a field that holds great promise for our energy future. Different types of microbes excel at different tasks, each with its own unique set of skills and capabilities. Some microbes are particularly adept at breaking down sugars, a process that is essential for the production of bioethanol. Others are better at breaking down fats and oils, which can be converted into biodiesel, another important type of biofuel. Scientists are constantly on the lookout for new and more efficient microbes, scouring the environment for strains that can be harnessed for biofuel production. They are particularly interested in finding microbes that can produce biofuels more efficiently, reducing costs and increasing yields. Additionally, they are searching for microbes that can utilize a variety of feedstocks, from agricultural waste to algae, making the biofuel production process more versatile and sustainable. These microscopic alchemists hold the key to a sustainable future, unlocking the potential of renewable energy sources that can help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. By harnessing their incredible power, we can create cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, paving the way for a greener and more environmentally friendly world. The impact of biofuels on reducing carbon emissions is significant, and ongoing research continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with microbial alchemy. As we continue to explore the capabilities of these tiny organisms, we uncover new ways to optimize their use in biofuel production, making the process more efficient and cost-effective. The future of energy lies in the hands of these master alchemists, whose work in the lab today will shape the world of tomorrow. Together, scientists and microbes are forging a path towards a more sustainable and energy-efficient future, one breakthrough at a time. The journey towards a cleaner, greener planet is a collaborative effort, and with the help of these microscopic alchemists, we are well on our way to achieving that goal. Section 7. Algal biofuels, tiny plants, big potential. Algae are simple aquatic organisms. They can photosynthesize like plants. Some types of algae produce oil. This oil can be converted into biofuel. Algal biofuels have several advantages. Algae grow very quickly, they don't need farmland, they can even grow in wastewater. Microbes can enhance algal biofuel production. They can help break down the algae. This makes it easier to extract the oil. Algal biofuels are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the biofuel industry. Section 8. A sustainable future. Microbial biofuels offer a glimpse into a sustainable future. They are renewable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly. They can help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. They can also help mitigate climate change. Microbial biofuels can create new jobs. They can boost rural economies. They can also promote energy independence. By investing in microbial biofuel research, we can pave the way for a cleaner and more sustainable future. Section 9. Challenges and opportunities. Microbial biofuels face challenges. Efficiency and cost are major concerns. Scaling up production is also a challenge. More research is needed to overcome these challenges. We need to improve the efficiency of biofuel production. We also need to make it more cost-effective. Despite the challenges, the future of microbial biofuels is bright. They have the potential to transform the energy landscape. By embracing innovation and collaboration, we can unlock the full potential of microbial biofuels. We can create a brighter and more sustainable future for generations to come.